Deangelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It has been a while since I made a video. It's going on 2 weeks. Like tomorrow will literally be 2 weeks since I made a YouTube video, which is crazy. But your boy has been doing, what a lot of people like to post on Facebook. I've been making moves in silence, but they tell everybody. But nah, your boy has actually been doing a lot of stuff. I'm actually thinking about starting my very first offline business. I'm going to be doing still debating. I've been just getting a lot of information because, the easiest way to lose your money is to invest in something you don't understand. And when it comes to starting offline businesses, there's like tens of thousands of dollars, up front versus if you go online, you literally can start a whole business for like $50 and call it a day. But anyway, I'll make a video touching base on that in the future. What I wanted to go over in this video here is basically just CPA, marketing traffic. So for my people out there that just want to see some results. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get, be in profit or anything like that. I'm saying let's just say you're that person that's just started or whatever, and you just want to see that deposit hit your account. So if you go out and spend $200 and you make $100, you just want to see that this online stuff really does work, or you're just someone who just wants to see your very first commission or repeated commissions or whatever the case may be. So obviously, again, I'm not saying that you're going to be in profit. You could be, but just keep that in mind. You're going to have to do tests, and there's stuff like that. There's stuff involved to be in creating a profitable campaign. But anyway, let's jump right into it. We're also going to be going over which ones I would recommend that you stay away from, what traffic sources I recommend that you stay away from if you're just getting started as well. But first thing on the list, right out the gate, you guys already know, is Craigslist. Your boy loves Craigslist. And right now, like I always say, Craigslist is a gold mine. Like, if you put an ad up on Craigslist today, and you do the making money online niche or whatnot, odds are you're going to get shut down. But if you go live, you're going to make money. I can almost 100% guarantee that you're going to make money. If your ad is up there longer than 24 hours, you got at least one sale. Several CPAs if you're doing those. So Craigslist, gold mine. You just have to post a certain way. You can't use certain keywords. Like if you go up there and be like, your title, make $500 to $1,000 a day. Description. Just click this link right here and fill out the details and you're going to make a lot of money. Come on now. Like, you don't think Craigslist is going to, flag that? Put a little bit of effort into it, Like I always say, you can just go and create an entire website, for a business, make it all look legit, literally spend, at least a good hour or two just creating a whole website. It might take longer depending on your skill level. You can go out and get logos made, it depends on how much effort you put into it. But if you just go out and real life make this look really, 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 really good, go and get a phone number. Like I said, the works, you're going to be able to get so many leads and you'll never get shut down. But a lot of people aren't going to do that because that actually takes work. But anyway, you can go that route. And like I said, you'll get a crap ton of leads and never have to worry about getting shut down, and then you can forward them over to this offer right here, and it'll be like this website had nothing to do with sending them over there. But again, like I said, 99% of people are not going to do that because it takes work. So Craigslist is definitely number one, and I recommend that one because it's no competition on there right now. Number two is influencer marketing. Now, influencer marketing is just such a gold mine. So many people are sleeping on influencer marketing. I actually got a comment the other day. Dude said he got his very first sale with influencer marketing from watching one of my videos. So big shout out to dude. Influencer marketing is so smooth because the average influencer is not a business owner. So let's say you came to me and was like, oh yeah, Deangelo, I can pay you $500 to make a YouTube video talking about my product, or I'll pay you a certain percentage of every single thing that you get, every single time someone buys something or reoccurring payments or whatever, right? Now, a lot of people are just going to simply choose this $500 right here. Not kid you not, 99% of influencers that you talk to are going to go for this right here. They will have a following of 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 people. And they're like, yeah, I'll take that $1,000. Yeah, I'll take the $2,000. And then if you again have a product that's actually converting well and stuff like that, you're gonna get your money back just like that, you know. And there are things that go into it. You have to choose the right influencer because if you go to some random person on Instagram, it could just be somebody who bought a crap ton of fake followers and a crap ton of fake likes, and they are just posting your stuff, and you'll never get any results because everybody that follows them is fake. So yeah, you got to keep that in mind. Like I said, don't just jump into it. Like I said, if you just want to see some type of results, to maybe like show somebody in your family or whatever to like try to prove to them that it's real, which I would definitely not recommend. You shouldn't be caring what someone who's not in this industry thinks. I mean, they might mean well, but at the end of the day, like if a lot of people they don't know what this is, so they're just like, oh, you should stay away from that, stay away from your money, save your money, blah blah blah. A whole different topic. But anyway, influencer marketing, gold mine right now, especially with all the Christmas deals and stuff that are going. I would say from now to the end of the year, you can get some really good deals. You can even lowball people for real. They'd be like, hey, just tell them, hey, we're a new startup company or whatever. But there are sites that you can go to as well to find influencers, but a lot of those are kind of garbage if I'm being honest. And then like the big profiles that are on there, like don't tend to reply to people because they just probably created an account, got verified, and it was like, oh, okay, I'm never going to use this. So yeah, you got to really know what you're doing when it comes to the influencer marketing. I definitely recommend that you reach out to people manually. That's just me. You guys can, do whatever you want. You can go to these little websites that everybody else go to and stuff. But I recommend just going out there manually and talking to that person and just sending them an email. That's just me. Now, those are my top two right there that I recommend. And if you want to see some results super fast, it's Craigslist and influencer marketing. Like I said, in influencer marketing, you can do YouTube, you can do Instagram, you can do Facebook groups. Like you can literally go to Facebook groups, message one of the admins and be like, "Hey, I like to do a pinned comment," or anything like that. A lot of people don't need. I mean, a pinned post. Like a lot of people don't do that, So like, there's like I said, a crap ton of ways you can make money with just these two right here, and you can see results within 24 hours. Now, which ones I recommend staying away from, especially if you're a new person? Bing, Google, adult traffic, stuff like that. Like if I was again getting back to this, I would say stick with Craigslist or stick with influencer marketing because they're both pretty dirt cheap. If you go and create a Bing campaign right now and you try to send money to send traffic to a landing page, there is almost 100% guarantee that you're not gonna make any money. Like there is so much you gotta do. Like you gotta actually go through and test all the keywords out, and then it's way more expensive. Like for one click on Bing and Google, that's an entire post where thousands of people will see you on Craigslist. And that's just one click, one person. So that's just me personally. I would stay away from Bing and basically any type of search traffic, especially if you don't have a big budget. I would just stay away from it. The adult traffic, native advertising traffic, any of those type of sites where you go to buy traffic. Let's say you got your network right here, you got your ad network right here, and they go and get their traffic off of other websites. No, nope. Don't even waste your time doing that. Again, especially if you have a smaller budget, just don't even waste your time. Now, I'm not saying you cannot make money with Google. Not saying you can't make money with Bing. Not saying you can't make money with the adult niche. With the adult traffic. Not saying that you can't make money with these ad networks. I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is if you have a lower budget and you don't know what you're doing and you don't have tracking software, you definitely don't want to go down that path because I guarantee you that you're going to lose all of your money. You can go create a Taboola account right now. $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. If you don't use tracking software or anything like that, I guarantee you can damn near probably maybe get 3 to like 5 conversions out of that whole $5,000 for a CPA. Like for real, the traffic is garbage on those networks because again, they get their traffic from other websites. It's not like they're going out and doing the venting and all that stuff. So let us say I go to Taboola, right? And I got my website here. And I go over here and I'm like, submit my website, all that stuff. And then Taboola approves me on there, which is not hard to get approved for most of these networks. Then from there, I just have a bot go through and just click ads on my website all day. Now you come and you go to the network and you buy this traffic, and you're like, damn, I got 5,000 clicks and only got 2 conversions. What's going on? That's because people like this are selling. You just gave all your money away to people like this. They're just doing this bot stuff. So like I said, and then if you don't have tracking software, you're never going to know that, okay, this website right here, I've gotten 100 clicks from them, not a single conversion. I got 1,000 clicks from them, not a single conversion, or whatever, right? You can cut that off. Then you cut this one off. Then you cut this one off. Then you cut this one off. You're like, oh, okay, this one over here, I'm actually making money. But it costs money to find out that this website is actually doing good. So that's why you'll see a lot of videos where they'll be like, oh, I spent $100 and I got $10,000 back. But yeah, they didn't tell you they spent 50 grand to make that, to turn that $100 into 10,000, you know? But anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. Just thought I would give you some tips and stuff like that when it comes to doing CPA marketing and traffic. If I had to like start all over, those are my go-to right there: Craigslist and influencer marketing. Just some, just go back a little old school today, do a little beginner stuff. I know there's a lot more people getting into this space now, especially with the whole, COVID stuff. People just want to stay at home. They want to find alternate ways to make money and all of that. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and let me know what you guys want to see in some future videos.